Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, Alex here. I am in Paris, France, underneath the Eiffel Tower. Beautiful structure. Hi guys, this is take two because my big old head was blocking the Eiffel Tower. Hey guys, I'm at the Shella Palace, viewing the Eiffel Tower from here. You can take great selfies. Come check it out. Look, Eiffel Tower. But it's beautiful. Great day today. Great vibes, great people. You should come check it out. Hey guys, I'm on a boat. Just kidding. So I am on a river boat tour. I am using the company Bateau Parisien. Cost me about 15 euros, 17 US dollars. And it starts close to the Eiffel Tower and takes you back to the starting point. You get to see the Eiffel Tower, you get to see the Notre Dame. And I was like, why not? Had to experience it. Tour right now, passing the Notre Dame right now. Beautiful. Great way to end the day at the Louvre. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.